In SolidWorks, you can develop a sheet metal part. To start off the sheet metal part, you can use a base flange. Here I am in a part model. I will click on the sheet metal tab. Here is the base flange tab command. Note that it can be used to create tabs on existing sheet metal geometry as well. I will click on the base flange tab command. Then I'm prompted to select a plane on which to sketch the feature cross-section. I will select the plane called front, and that reorients me to be normal to that plane. Let me pan everything over a little bit. I'm going to start out by sketching some lines. I will click on the line command. I'll start about over here. Let me go off to the right, and I'll let it lock right into the plane, and then go to the origin, and then go off to the side some distance. And then let's go up and then over to the right. And I'm happy with the lines I've created. I'll hit the escape key to get out of that. Let me unclutter the screen by turning off the display of my primary planes. And now I need some dimensions on here. Let's go to the Smart Dimension command, and I'll start dimensioning some of these different entities. Let's make this 40. Let's make this 24. Let me make this one 160. Let's make this line a height of 60. And let's make this last one a length of 24. And so I'm happy. Let's hit the green check mark, and let's hit the green arrow to get out of the sketch. I'm reoriented, and here you can see a preview of the geometry that is being created. And so here I have my sheet metal parameter, so I'm getting a thickness of 2. Here is my bend radius. I can use this to increase the value. Note that if you increase it too much, the preview is going to go away because that value is too large. Let me use a value of 4. And then for the depth of feature, let me change this to mid-plane. I'm going to crank up the depth using the arrow until I get a value that I'm happy with. Let's go with 200. And so once I'm happy with all of this, then I can hit the check mark. And there I have it. There is my first base flange created in my model.